Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at the Sanitaire Professional Bagged Upright Vacuum with onboard tools, the SL4110A. Whether you're managing a business or just need a reliable vacuum for your home, this machine promises solid performance, commercial-grade power, and practical features that make cleaning a bit more efficient. Let's break down what this vacuum has to offer. The Sanitaire SL4110A comes with a 13-inch cleaning path, which is ideal for medium to large areas, making it a solid option for both commercial spaces and home use. With a powerful motor, it handles dirt and debris with ease, whether it's on carpet, rugs, or hard floors. It's designed to be a heavy-duty solution that can tackle a wide variety of flooring types, thanks to its 5 height adjustment settings. This means that no matter if you're cleaning plush carpets or lower pile flooring, you've got the flexibility to get the best clean. When it comes to its bin, this vacuum uses a bag system that holds up to 3 quarts of dirt and debris. While some might miss the bagless convenience, the bag design does offer a cleaner emptying process and more hygienic disposal of dirt, especially helpful for those with allergies. You won't need to stop frequently to empty the bin, which makes for a less disruptive cleaning session. And with its 30-foot commercial power cord, it offers a great range, allowing you to clean without constantly switching plugs, perfect for larger spaces. Plus, the cord's durability means it's built to withstand long hours of use. One of the key selling points is its onboard tools. You'll get a crevice tool, a combination dusting brush, and upholstery tool, and an extension wand. These tools expand the vacuum's versatility, making it a breeze to clean upholstery, stairs, and even hard-to-reach areas, like baseboards or the edges of your furniture. It's all there when you need it. No hunting for attachments in the middle of your cleaning session. In terms of ergonomics, the vacuum is fairly lightweight and easy to maneuver for an upright model. And with its simple design, it's easy to assemble and get started. The 13-inch width makes it ideal for standard-sized rooms, but you might find it a bit slow on extra-wide spaces. Noise levels are on the louder side, which is something to keep in mind if you need a quieter vacuum for sensitive environments. Now, how does it perform in real-world testing? The Sanitaire SL4110A holds up well when cleaning fine dust and crumbs off hard floors, but it really shines on medium and low-pile carpet. It's easy to adjust the height, and the suction does a great job lifting embedded dirt and debris. The onboard tools also make it easy to clean stairs and upholstery without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is the extended reach with its 30-foot cord, which reduces the hassle of switching outlets, a huge time saver during extended cleaning sessions. However, it's not perfect. The bag system can be a bit of a hassle for people used to the convenience of a bagless vacuum, and its performance on deep pile carpets could be a bit more powerful. Additionally, while the motor is strong, you might notice some loss of suction if the bag fills up quickly, so it's worth checking it regularly. Also, the vacuum is a bit louder compared to some modern, quieter models, which could be a deal breaker if you're after a more peaceful cleaning experience. Looking at its value for money, the Sanitaire SL4110A falls into a mid-range price category for commercial vacuums. While it may not have the sleek design or some of the high-tech features that come with pricier models, it excels where it counts: reliable suction power, a long reach, and useful attachments. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle frequent, heavy-duty use without breaking the bank, it's a solid contender. When compared to other models in this category, like the Hoover Commercial Hushtone or the Orek Commercial XL2100RHS, the Sanitaire SL41A stands out due to its practicality and solid construction. The Hoover Hushtone offers quieter operation but has a slightly shorter cord and is more expensive. Meanwhile, the Orek XL2100RHS is lighter and more compact, but lacks some of the extra tools and versatility that the Sanitaire provides. In terms of build quality, the Sanitaire SL4110A feels durable with solid construction, especially in the cord and motor area. The bag system is easy to replace, and the tools are designed for long-term use. Maintenance is fairly straightforward. Cleaning the brush roll and changing the bag is simple and doesn't require any special tools. Overall, This vacuum is ideal for business owners or anyone needing a dependable workhorse for cleaning multiple surfaces. Its bag design might not appeal to everyone, but it delivers consistent, powerful suction and is built for the long haul. If you've got a medium-sized space and you're looking for a vacuum that won't need constant repairs, the Sanitaire SL4110A is a solid choice. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. If you've got any questions, or if you're already using this vacuum, drop them in the comments below. Let's chat! Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums mean. See you next time!